Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have a Microsoft 365 admin account and a licensed mailbox. This is required to change tenant settings. Next, make sure Modern Authentication is enabled in Azure AD because you'll choose OAuth versus Basic later. If you plan OAuth, register an app in Azure AD and record Client ID and Secret. Finally, note the SMTP server, SMTP, Office 365. Port 587 with startles. These are the values you'll input in client or device settings. Once done with prerequisites, decide whether to use legacy SMTP Auth or OAuth 2.0. OAuth is more secure and recommended. In the Exchange Admin Center, open the mailbox properties and enable SMTP Auth per user or disable it globally if blocking basic auth. For OAuth, return to Azure AD, add SMTP. Send delegated/application permission to your registered app, then grant admin consent so tokens can be issued. Make sure the app uses the correct redirect URI and that client secret is active. To finish, test sending mail from your configured client or device using startles on port 587 and the chosen auth method. This confirms end-to-end. If it fails, check Azure AD sign-in logs and Exchange protocol logs to see whether authentication or SMTP negotiation is the issue. Make sure the mailbox has SMTP auth enabled, the app has granted permissions, and the client secret hasn't expired. A key troubleshooting tip: if authentication is blocked, re-enable per-user SMTP auth briefly and review logs to pinpoint the cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.